doing, I've been working at an outsourcing company for 7 years now. And I was hooked into running last almost 20 years. Ever since my life has changed, I've been healthier and in my life.
So what are some of the marathons or races have you been joining or doing recently? For the past few months or since last year?
I'm an active participant for most of the races organized by Runway, and then small races that is historical. I've been supporting those kinds of races, and I've been trying my hand on trail runs.
So how was your personal journey to becoming a marathon runner? Is there any inspiration or where did it start?
I was giving up hope in sports when I got injured last July 27 in the game of basketball. And then when I tried running, I was challenged. My first run was 3 kilometer run. Run was at 11, and then if other people older than me can do longer runs, then I could do that as well. So my inspiration to move up to higher distances was merely a challenge for myself and to prove and to have a self-fulfillment.
So do you have any personal motto when it comes to running or sports in general?
I remember one motto from I just saw that on Facebook and it was in Tagalog. So
Yeah.
hindi mo mararating yung finish line kung wala ka lang pinaglalaban. So every journey to the finish line, I was fighting for something. So I have been in constant battle with hypertension my whole life. So that's one of my things to fight for. So every successful finish on any category or any race is a win for me.
So since of course we're promoting Sennheiser, which is a brand of earphones or headphones, how has music played a part in your passion for running?
My playlist consists of up-tempo and slow songs. So having those kinds of songs dictate the way how I run. I don't usually run on a regular pace because I have to listen to my body. But if the music gives me more push, so when I play my playlist into random, that gives me some kind of variation when it comes to my running routine.
Yeah. So anyway, so let's say we chose you as the Sennheiser Sports Sound Hero. Of course, there will be responsibilities like on the 30th or during the King of the Road run, you will be shooting your run. Then on the 30th of the evening, we're planning to do another shoot, which is basically a warm up. It's a video of you warming up. Then on the October, the 1st of October, which is Monday, we will be doing the interview. Basically a video shoot / interview session. Then on the 12th to 14th of November, this will be the trip to Singapore for the for the campaign and party for Sennheiser Sound Hero Search. So would that be okay with you? Or I mean, you're okay to be responsible to Sennheiser for Sound Hero if ever we choose you? Yeah.
Yes, sir. The schedule is bearable. Like I say, and the 3 days can be solved by my vacation leave.
Okay.
So everything is fine.
All right.
I get the job.
All right. Thanks, Drew.